been feeling so small. Watch the clock.
Hey Tommies, how y'all doing today? I hope all is well. Y'all doing okay? Y'all enjoying y'all new year? We are still in January, but this video is back in September. Yes. So y'all know I like to batch film, and so this is a video that I never edited, weirdly enough. So I'm using it because I can for some cleaning motivation for me and for you. So just to let you know who I am, my name is Atoya, wife of Douglas and mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, and we are DAT Family 5. We are a family that loves life and having fun, and we love giving you the inspiration and motivation that you need to get the things that you need to get done throughout the day and throughout your life abundantly, to live your life so abundantly. So I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video.
City life looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Y'all probably looking like, what is she doing with that broom? I'm using the broom to move the tripod. Just something I had to learn. Yep.
Be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive. Drive a faster car.
Time goes by and yet I wonder, are you and me still the same? Are you still loving the game? I know I don't. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. So I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. No one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day. Oh, oh, oh. A brighter day, a brighter day. Oh, a brighter day. Time goes by and yet I wonder, why do we put each other through hell? Why can't we just get over ourselves? I know I should. You cast your spell and I went under. I know the laughter and the pain. Will I ever love again? I don't know if I can take it anymore. Yeah, so I stay here and hold my heart when you walk out the door. Yeah, made a promise to myself and I repeat it in my head. Set your mind free, set your mind free. no one knows what I've been through, but this is the end of me and you. Set your mind free. Oh, hey, yeah. Oh, oh, right, yeah, oh. Made a promise to myself, this time I will keep it. Where there's a will, yeah, there's a way. With every smile, with every tear, I know I will make it. I'm gonna see a brighter day, brighter day.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my high.
We gonna be playing some pause. Pause. And I'll be back after class. Cause it's 10 minutes till class. So I'll be back. Yes, I did the whole kitchen in 2 hours. Not even the whole kitchen, because I gotta get that side. Y'all forget, there's 2 great rooms. It's the great room in here and the great room in there. They're not, yeah. Ezekia, if you don't do that. Okay, so yeah, it's way past 10:30. I didn't even finish the kitchen by 10:30. I told y'all I'd be right back, didn't I? Yeah, it is now. Y'all see that? Let's focus in. Let's focus in. Focus. Y'all see what time it is?
She recording?
At nighttime. Hold on a second. I just got summoned by the husband.
Even going.
So we went to Costco.
It's not recording again?
No, I just need to put it down. Oh. So we went to Costco and Big Lots. And what is the problem?
It wouldn't say.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
It would say.
Oh, of course it does. It's old. Okay, so we went to Costco's and Big Lots. This ring is really weird on my forehead. Like, really, I feel like, okay, maybe I'm just being freaky, right? Maybe, I don't know. So we went to Costco's and Big Lots for this bit time, and we rode around a little bit. I was trying to go to Target. There were too many people at Target. No. So we probably go to Target tomorrow morning before my appointment with the endocrinologist, which I will tell y'all about that in an update video coming up soon. Okay, so here we go. All right, so we have Clorox cleaner and bleach from Costco. Y'all know, y'all see this all the time. Fruit Loops. It's right here. Y'all see this right here? That's the doorbell. That's why you hear it. Dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay. Dreidel, 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 we made it out of clay. Okay, so y'all know my favorite Fruit Loops, his favorite Apple Jacks, and whoever eats that from Costco. We got this for easy breakfast for the girls while they are here. Oatmeal, and Doug also got the Honey Nut Cheerios. We got some Krusteaz buttermilk pancakes. He also got some Canada Dry Bold Ginger Ale. This was from Big Lots. Then we got some cheese. You talking about the cicadas? Are you talking about the cicadas? Why, you saw it?
Yeah.
It flew in your face or something?
No, it's dead. So
I killed two of them. I killed two of them.
Ma'am.
Okay, and there's cheese. Oops, am I in the way? Yes, I am. There's cheese right here that we got. Y'all, if y'all do shop at Costco, these chicken sausages, it's the best. When I mean it's the best, I don't even want no pork sausages after this. These are so good. Mind you, I'm a pork eater. I love pork. Me and pork get along just fine. And no, I don't have no high blood pressure issues. Don't even get on me like that. Actually, my blood pressure is too low because of hypothyroidism. That's all I'm saying.
Oh, I don't think they need to know all that.
All right, so we have, this is for me, Bach washer. You know what color it is? My favorite color. It's blue. Okay. And then, so we got some country sausage, the circle ones, from Costco. We got some salad from Costco. We got some vegetable spring rolls with edamame from Costco. We got some milk from Costco. We got this from Big Lots. And then we got Dr. Teal's. Y'all see that? I can't say that out loud. Maybe y'all can see that and say it by yourselves. I'm not gonna say it out loud. I actually didn't smell it. Doug picked this up. It actually smells good. And then we got this. Can y'all see? Okay, you can see now. There you go. So this is a spray. You spray it on your Dr. Teal's multi-purpose sleep spray combines melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate sleep and weight cycles, which is with your thyroid. Actually, it's not your thyroid, it's your pineal gland, which is right here. Which is, yeah. So, and a soothing blend of lavender and chamomile essential oils to help promote a better night's sleep. You can use this in 4 different ways: in showers, on pillows and beddings, on body, and in bedrooms. Avoid contact with eyes or irritate the skin, as always. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. That smells amazing. I think we're gonna be sleeping well tonight. So I'm gonna put the stuff away. And oatmeal can go in here. I think that'll be a good place for it. Put the cereal in its proper places. And let me show y'all this over here. Turn the ring light around. As you see, I'm starting to finally fill up over here. So I am trying to put it in front of my face. Maybe they work better that way. Y'all, I promise this thing is like the weirdest thing ever. Alright, so I'm trying to get, oh, I hope y'all didn't hear that. I'm trying to get the kitchen situated so that everybody can maneuver around the way it should be. So yeah, let's get to cleaning and putting this stuff up.
packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make him feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart. Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still like a melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Yeah, I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, delusional, you say, and then I lose it. Boy, you had me from the start. By the way you stared, the way you wrote up on me, yeah, yeah. Man, I felt your energy. Wasn't used to being loved and treated differently, yeah. But something went wrong, the signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt. Baby, keep it right there, don't you stress the flow. You're trying to pick the pace up, we should take it slow. Baby, keep your focus, don't you make me change my mind. If you love me, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you.
All right, you guys, I want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. We did all the things today. We did some cleaning, some cooking, some hauling, some putting things back. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you click down below and subscribe, like, and comment, and share. And don't forget to go out to our website, DATFamily5LLC.com. Y'all have a blessed day, and guess what, y'all? As always, see you on the tube. Mwah.